Hello and welcome to your Portuguese. Today we are going to take a look at the personal pronouns in Portuguese, or pronomes pessoais. In this lesson you are going to learn what are the personal pronouns, what are their functions, how they are divided, and how they are used in sentences. What are the personal pronouns? The personal pronouns are words that are used to substitute a name. They indicate a person in a speech. They can be divided by gender and number, and they are function-based. Based on the function, the personal pronouns can be either pronome pessoal do caso reto, which means that they act as a subject in a sentence, as the subject pronoun in English. Or they also can be pronome pessoal do caso oblíquo, which means that they act as an object in a sentence, as the object pronoun in English. Here we have a table that illustrates the personal pronouns, both the subject pronouns and the object pronouns, or pronomes do caso reto e pronomes do caso oblíquo in Portuguese. So let's see how we pronounce the subject pronouns in Portuguese. Eu, tu, você, ele, ela, nós, vós, vocês, eles, elas. The personal pronoun tu is usually used in informal occasions, and the personal pronoun você is usually used in formal occasions. Let's take a look in the object pronouns in Portuguese and how they are pronounced. Me, mim, comigo. Ti, ti, contigo. O, a, lhe, se, si, consigo. Nos, conosco. Vos, convosco. Os, as, lhes, se, si, consigo. It's important to notice that in Portuguese, not everything is pronounced the way it's written. For example, the object pronouns te, ti, it's both chi, chi, or the object pronoun nos, nos, it isn't pronounced nos, but nous. So it can vary, but I trust you and I believe you are going to learn it with enough repetition. Let's see some examples. Exemplos do caso reto. Some examples with the personal, with the subject pronoun. Eu preciso estudar português. I need to study Portuguese. Ela sabe ler muito bem. She knows how to read very well. Nós somos bons amigos. We are good friends. Eles gostam de estudar. They like studying. And here we have some examples with object pronouns or pronomes do caso oblíquo. Vem comigo. Come with me. Ela gosta de mim. She likes me. Eu te encontro na escola. I meet you at school. So these are the personal pronouns in Portuguese. By now we believe that you have learned what are the personal pronouns, what are their functions, how they are divided, and how they are used in sentences. Muito obrigado.
If you think this video was useful for you, share it on your social medias and help other people to learn Portuguese as well. Show us some love too, leaving your like on the video, and if you have some suggestion or constructive criticism, leave it in the comments area.